That's how you want to park.
Oh, they're gonna do it like that. Oh, they too cool. They too cool to just park regular. See everybody else park regular. Now they confused. They like, what the fuck? Don't hit it. Yep.
I'll jump in front of it.
I know. What's up, squad? It's your boy Knockout 360 here. I got my man Smurf 6.4 right here. As you can see, he got his shit all suited and booted. Got my baby right here. She a little dirty. But as you can tell, we are back at it. Car Meets on Deck. New location. Same city, same state. Mexico City, of course. Mexico. And we out here. It's about, what, 9:30, 9:40? As you can see. This shit looks like a fucking concert parking lot. So many fucking cars out here. And we only, what, 40 minutes into it? What, 45 minutes into it. Let's check out this Challenger. Look at this damn thing.
Who did that?
Follow my man. Follow him.
Almost done. Wait, it's over. Yeah.
Clean Challenger? I was about to say.
Y'all literally slowed down for a minute. Y'all there like waiting down. Let's get it.
Yeah. And you get to see some of the same faces and shit, man. Real call pass, exactly. Although once you call the What do you mean, like right now? There you go. Yep.
Go two-step.
Probably so. That's, yep. Whole lot going on. Whole lot going on. Two-tone. Oh shit. He hurt. People got their damn chairs and shit out here. You just set up and park anywhere. Don't matter.
No.
Subaru? Oh shit. The Subaru kind of clean right here. It's a big ass wang. What the fucking wang is higher than the damn car?
Yep. You know that downforce.
All the
speed.
Shit.
Hey,
He's flying up. Somebody get Donald Duck over here.
Knockout 360.
What's up? What's up?
Probably made it up to every beat now, huh?
I'm trying to. I ain't missing nothing else, man.
Right, that night, I swear you should. That would have been
Come on. I'm not missing it.
my soul.
This video will be up in the morning. Yeah.
French green over there.
Green.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting. That's what I'm waiting.
Oh shit,
That's
look how low
Speedbump
that shit
boy,
is.
yeah.
Look at that.
They're making that one. Rice with beans.
You have to do a damn burn burnout just to get over the speed. Over the speed. I like that blue. Still coming. 5-0? Is that my man Tim right there? Maybe Tim. No, that's not Tim. This looks like a straight concert parking lot right now, man. Like, I feel like the fucking Migos is performing, man. Like, it's just people coming in. There's so many people, man, and people just keep coming in. It's ridiculous. People keep coming in. I'm telling you, people just keep coming in, man. I know he's gonna do it. It's like Fiat, Mini Cooper, they do got it decked out. I'm trying to get something to eat, and you got to do a 15-point turn just to pull in the motherfucking lot. Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? You got to stop, just completely stop. Angle yourself. That's too much. I just want to drive. That's it. That low life shit is crazy. Y'all are better than me, man.
You bought it like this? Yes. This one, how much you pay for it? I think 52. 2,000.
They jumping that shit.
Something not 2 days ago. Alright.
I told you, man, I'm like the weatherman. I got to get the footage.
Wait, I got a better idea. You got an iPhone? Okay.
Apple Pay?
Nope.
Look at all the
You gotta
fucking
redeem
scrapes,
yourself.
bro. Look at all the scrapes and that shit. Fresh. Ha! Look at this shit. Look at this shit.
Wait, so
That dude beat his ass.
Fucking landed like a cat.
It's that time. It's still coming in.
He didn't know it was that
Damn, he fucked up. He fucked up. He fucked up.
alright, text my phone.
Yeah, I got you, bro. You already know what time it is. Guess what? It's cop time. We out. Cops here. So with that being said, guys, the meet's over. Your boys about to chill out. They got 1, 2, 3 cops here. Your boys about to roll out, man. I'll catch you in the next one, man. Peace.